Hi, this is Stuart Talley, providing another update on the Pinnacle metal-on-metal hip cases that are currently being tried in Dallas, Texas right now. Today we received an order from the judge in the case, the trial court judge, indicating that he was denying all of the post-trial motions that had been filed by DePuy to overturn the verdict that occurred in the second bellwether case. In the same order, he also addressed DePuy's request that the litigation be stayed while they appeal the verdict in that second bellwether case. The judge denied the request to stay the litigation pending their appeal. And specifically, what the defendants asked was a stay of the cases that are supposed to go to trial in September. In September, there are going to be 7 cases that are going to be tried to a jury, a single jury, 7 individual plaintiffs, all California residents. In the order, the judge was very adamant that he was not going to stay the litigation. He indicated that there were 8,000 cases pending. The cases have been pending for more than 5 years. And if the judge stayed the case, every time the defendant lost a trial, the litigation would take an eternity to resolve. In his order, he also noted that the average age of individuals who have Pinnacle metal-on-metal hip cases is 68. And so the judge was very mindful of the fact that he needed to move the cases forward. With respect to the numerous evidentiary objections that DePuy raised in the underlying trial, the judge was very dismissive of those objections. In other words, in the order, he indicated that he did not believe that DePuy really had any chance to win their appeals, which you would expect from a trial court judge whose decisions are being appealed to a higher court. But in the order, he referenced the fact that DePuy's effort to introduce testimony that their product performed well in Europe, that there was good published literature out there, that they were a good corporate citizen. The fact that DePuy tried to introduce that evidence opened the door to much of the evidence that they objected to at trial. And so the judge was very, very good as far as explaining his decision and the reason why he wasn't going to stay the litigation. Like I said, the next trial is coming up in September. It's going to be very soon. 7 individual California plaintiffs. What makes this next trial really significant is that there are no caps on punitive damages in the next trial. So we could see a big verdict if the plaintiffs do well at trial. So stay tuned. We still have a decision from the 5th Circuit Court of Appeals who is considering the decision. And once we hear from them, we'll provide another update and see, is the case going to go forward in September, or is the appellate court going to stop it? So stay tuned. If you have a Pinnacle hip or you have any questions about the litigation or what's going on, feel free to give us a call on at the phone number on the screen, or fill out one of our online forms and a lawyer will get right back to you.